Right guys, so we're going to prep the motherboard first. So what you need to do with memory slots, open up your tabs there like that. Okay, started, we've got his memory here, CPU, cooler, CPU, and the good old, my go-to, MX4 thermal paste. So first things first, to install the processor, pull the lever there, back, up like that, and that will then lift the socket up. Leave the black retention plate in. So what you're basically looking for on your processor, we're putting in this one at the minute. We've got an i3, sorry. I think it's a 3220. Yep, so what you're basically doing is looking for your triangle, dot, and your two little notches. When I get it in camera, there we go, two little notches, dot, and a triangle at the bottom, and then on your socket you'll have a little triangle, and just look for your two notches there and there. Gently pop the front, gently put the processor in like so. Get your bracket back down, make sure that your bracket goes underneath that screw there. Basically pop the lever, it will take a bit of force, that plastic bit should pop out like so, and that's your CPU installed. Okay, keep hold of that cover, do not bin it. Yep, so that's the processor installed. CPU fan, heatsink and fan. Get your thermal paste, your MX4. Now what you're looking for is about a pea size, just on top of the processor in its centre, so there you go, pea size lump like that. Then with these Intel processor fans, make sure your wiring is where you want it to be. So our CPU fan header is somewhere around here, let's have a look. Yep, there, that's the CPU fan module. So his wire wants to be down here like that. Now with these Intel boards, all you have to do is pop it on top where the holes are, lock it down, and then basically just have to push the pins through like so and twist. So we'll push it through and twist, push it through and twist, push it through, twist. Now they should be in place now. So just make sure they're locked round into position like so, and that heatsink and fan should be solid. There you go, sorted. That's the heatsink and fan on, and if you just look, if we can get it in shot, you will see that just there's like a plastic guide channel on your CPU, and you can just see the channel there. So basically all you do is line that up, come here, bit fiddly trying to do it on camera, but pop that down. CPU fan is now installed. As for your memory, we've got some generic HyperX blue. I don't know if these are 2 or 4 gig in size, but we'll find out. So how to install your memory is you've got your notch there, and if you look on your motherboard, you've got a notch on your memory sockets there. So it's just a case of lining them up like so. With that, say, make sure your tabs are open here It's just a case of sliding them in with the notches lined up. Press a little bit firm to hear the click. That's one. And then there's two. And that's your memory installed. Basically, that's now ready to put in the computer.